I already have an update for the June 18 Hangout. I talked about this in yesterday's video. I know it's a really short notice, only 2-week notice, but I figure a lot of you may be close to Hungry Valley, Gorman. Me and my girlfriend are there often. We're in a long distance relationship, so that's our halfway hangout point. So I figure if any of you are close by, we could hang out if you guys just give me some notice. So me and Sebastian are going to hang out there on Sunday, June 18th. I'll be freed up around noon and I'll hang out there until night. So Campos Vasquez, he's going to join us June 18th up in Gorman, Hungry Valley. We're going to check out the state park. I'm familiar with that area now, good off-roading for our vans. So if you want to join us, let me know. Here's the address right here. Right there. I believe Sebastian's only 100 miles away. Campos Vasquez says he's fairly close. So I know that's going to be a decently close spot for a lot of you. So if you want to hang out, talk vans, hang out with us. Me and Sebastian were talking about this. We were talking on the phone about this. He has a RTZ Amazon leveling kit. I have the WeldTech kit. He's going to get an action van lift kit. He wants to get the whole 5-inch lift kit. So for the community, we're going to do a side-by-side video. I know a couple of you are just wanting a leveling kit, 2 to 3-inch leveling kit for your van. You don't want to do the whole 5-inch lift, so I think that'll be a cool video. So me and Sebastian, we're all about this community, seeing it grow. This hobby has meant a lot to me. Another shout out I want to give a couple actually. So here's another one right here. You know what I noticed about vans? Dana Wade and Rambo Adventures, if you haven't already, subscribe to them. They have a cool Pleasure Way van. And Dana Wade and Rambo, check this out. Have you seen this yet? I saw this recommended to me the other day. Pleasure Way was lifted by U-Joint. I know Dana Wade and Rambo want a WeldTech lift kit for their van. So you know what's cool about Dana Wade and Rambo Adventures is they have a nice Jeep Wrangler with the sick add-ons, and they still have a van. I'm noticing that about a lot of people with vans. Me personally, like Sebastian, for example, he's around exotic cars all the time, detailing them. You know, he has a client that's a billionaire. Me personally, the best thing I own, you know, the dream car that I own that I wanted when I was in high school was my 2003 Z06 Corvette. When I was in high school, I was all about Corvettes, but I'm 41 now, and my favorite thing I have is my van. That's the truth. I like my van more than my Corvette now. So I find it cool. Dana Wade and Rambo Adventures, they had 2 Challengers. They have Jeep Wrangler now and a Pleasure Way van. So Dana Wade and Rambo Adventures are definitely car fanatics that happen to have a van. I think that's really cool that car enthusiasts with really cool rides still want a van. And then another shout out I want to give here is Jill Morgan. Where are you at? There's Jill Morgan. So Jill Morgan stopped by in one of my other videos talking about lift kits. Never talk to me about wanting a lift kit for your van, because I'm going to keep talking about it with you. So now I must convince you that you need a lift. And Jill Morgan says, I really want one because they look so cool. Yes, Jill Morgan, get a lift kit. So Jill Morgan included, yesterday I said there was 16 people interested in the October van meet. The October van meet's going to be the big one. June 18, that's just going to be, if you guys are available, if you guys are bored on the weekend, you want to hang out on a Sunday, it's an easy drive for you guys, you just want to hang out with a couple of van fanatics, stop by June 18th. We'll hang out at Hungry Valley. Plenty of places to eat there. Time will fly by. Every time I meet you guys in real life, not through the comment section, chatting through the comment section, time always goes by so fast. Even when I do my live streams with you guys, an hour, 2 hours flies by like nothing. So last night when I talked about this June 18 meetup, there was 16 people interested in the van meet. Now I'm up to 17. I got a message last night when I got home from work on Instagram from another person wanting to join us. So we're up to 17, and this van hangout on the 18th, we got 3 people already. So if you're in Arizona, I'm gonna try to make this one, no promises, but Adventure Eddie, Jason, he's doing a meetup in Arizona, so check out Adventure Eddie, check out his meetup. That's about a 500-mile drive for me. That's not bad, but I gotta secure the funds to make it there. So this is a maybe for me. I will try my best to make this one, but if you are in Arizona, a couple of you have let me know you're in Arizona. So if you're one of my Arizona subscribers and you want to do a meet, check out Adventure Eddie's meetup. I will try my best to make that one. So we got some meetups coming. This June 18 one is it's gonna be, you know, it's just like off the what's the word, man? I'm not dictionarying right today. I don't have the words, but it's an impromptu. There you go. Why didn't I have that word? Yeah, it's just, you know, whoever's available. The 18th, 2-week notice. If you got the weekend off, you know, hang out with us. If it's an easy drive, hang out with us. It'll be fun. Like, I like to see this community grow. Like I said, this community has meant so much to me. It's improved my self-esteem a lot. I've talked about this before. And as new subscribers find my channel, I will continue to talk about this, you know. So yeah, you do creative stuff, like figure out where to put cup holders, and you figure out what bed you need for your van, and stick a microwave under the factory bench seat, find out how to mount a TV, electricity. So yeah, this hobby has meant so much to me. It's improved my self-esteem. I love being on the road, seeing new things, being away from the city, going off-roading. When I go off-roading, people always wave when we're crossing each other. It's just good vibes. So this hobby is like really good vibes to me, you know. Like when I was a kid, I remember I had friends who used to go to those import car shows. I never had like a JDM car, a Honda or anything, but I had friends that did. And it kind of sucked because they would meet at malls and stuff, and they would still key each other's cars. It's like, you guys are JDM brothers, import tuners. Why are you guys scratching up each other's cars? That's not cool. So from this hobby, this lifted van hobby, we're all cool, man. We're just all good people from what I've seen so far. I think there's different subgenres in the van community. You got the nomads. I've seen the horror stories on YouTube about the nomad community, but I like to think this lifted van community is something different. It's just a bunch of blue-collar people, hardworking people, fanatical about this hobby. A lot of us are car enthusiasts, doing the best we can in life, getting the most we can out of life, and that's what I enjoy about being friends with you guys. So June 18th, Fraser Mountain Road. If you could join us, that would be cool, man. Just a hangout on a Sunday. All right, everyone, that's a quick update video. Didn't think I would update this so soon, but yeah, I have another person interested, and like I said, June is the big one. Or not June, October, the October van meet, the trifecta: Slab City, Salton Sea, and Anza Borrego. That's gonna be an epic adventure. June 18. This is just us hanging out. So we already have 3 of us gonna hang out. So Joe Morgan, get a lift for your van. Dana Wade, Rambo Adventures, check out their channel. You guys gotta lift that Pleasure Way van. That's gonna look sick. All right, guys. Here's my best work for the month of May. I'm gonna slow down a little bit for the month of June. I'm back to working 6 days a week. I will talk about that in the next video, why I'm working 6 days a week again.